guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use TensorPix to enhance your videos and basically convert your videos to 4K. Select right now. You can use the example here and see it, or you can upload it from your device here. Just going to select, sorry. I am going to select, let's see. Where are my videos? It should be here somewhere. Okay, let's use this one. And it's going to upload and it's going to make the quality a little bit better. So it's ready in a moment. You can select up to 2 of the filters here. For instance, this one's the most popular one. Let me see. I'm just going to do the upscale one here and the clean one. It is a paid feature, and I only have these credits. So that's how you can enhance it basically, but I can't show you here. I'll show you maybe on the example one, and I'll press enhance and hopefully I can enhance it. So that's the video before, and it's going to enhance your videos here and just make it 4K. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.